going to demonstrate the experiment walking water. For this experiment, we need 5 plastic container, tissue paper, Rangila paint, a glass of water and paintbrush. Now I am going to do the experiment. Alternatively pour the water in the containers. In the first container I am going to add yellow color. In the third container I am going to add blue color. In the fifth container I am going to add red color. Next, fold the tissue paper like this and insert it into the container. The tissue paper is completely wet. This shows that the water moves from one container to another container. From this we can conclude that due to the capillary action, the water is moving from one container to the another container. If you like this video, like, share, comment and subscribe for future updates. Thank you.